Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to navigate YouTube TV using your Samsung TV remote so you can easily browse channels, shows, and recordings. Step 1. Open YouTube TV on your Samsung TV. Turn on your Samsung TV and open the YouTube TV app from the Apps menu. Make sure you're signed in with your account. Step 2. Understand your remote buttons. The main buttons you'll use are arrow buttons for navigating menus, OK/Enter to select options, back to return to the previous screen, home to go to the main menu. Step 3. Browse channels and shows. Use the arrow buttons to scroll through live channels, on-demand shows, and your library. Press OK to select and open any show. Step 4. Access guide and search. Press the guide or menu button to open the channel guide. Use the search icon to type the show or channel you want to watch. Step 5. Control playback. While watching a show, use your remote to pause/play with the OK button or dedicated playback buttons, fast forward or rewind using the directional arrows, adjust volume with the volume buttons on your remote. Step 6. Troubleshooting tips. Make sure the remote has working batteries. Update your Samsung TV and YouTube TV app for the latest features. If the remote isn't responding, try repairing it with your TV. And that's it. You now know how to navigate YouTube TV using a Samsung remote. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.